This is Jamchester 2017. I'm Nathan Ray. With me I've got Team Bruce. Well, it's not so much a Team Bruce, it's just Bruce, I think. So where are you from and what's your name?
I'm from Middlesbrough and I'm Bruce Slater.
Yeah, and what are you working on?
I am working on, that's a copy of Max that's just crashed. I am working on I just booted up. I have a version running. I'm basically making a city builder that isn't like a cyberpunk city builder where you just try and keep residents happy whilst also being their overlord. So
it's a bit like SimCity, that kind of thing.
Yeah. So it's isometric at the minute, and basically you just work on the grid, and you have 3 separate objects, and you just pick which object you want and place them down randomly, and it'll affect the scores at the top. And the middle score is chaos. So the idea is you balance the other two, and when chaos goes to a certain level, like when chaos becomes a certain number, that's when you lose. So,
alright. So you need to have some kind of structure in the city that you're building.
Yeah, basically. Yeah. That's where I'm at, and the Lord is watching me. Got all the holograms.
And so this is shaping the future. Obviously, you're shaping the future of this city that you're building. That's what you're going for.
That's the theme and my goal, I think. I'm not really sure. I kind of just wanted to make something that was nice and had nice art.
Sure.
So I made something basic.
So you're doing everything yourself then?
Yeah.
Yeah. So are you getting any help from anybody or getting any assets?
Well,
I mean, it doesn't look like you've got assets. It looks like you've got cubes and stuff there. So.
I've got a load of assets I've built in 3ds Max, but Max literally crashed.
Oh right,
just a minute ago.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, like I'm making the most of it myself. But I got Jay to help me out whenever I've got code problems I don't know. It's just like, Jay, save me. So he comes over and saves me. And yeah, I'm really just here to hang out and have a good time.
Good. So you're gonna have something to show the judges in 24 hours time?
Yeah, I've got something that works with cubes, so like we should have something up and running
that works with other things that you're throwing on there as well.
Yeah, probably, because I'm about to boot up my entitled recover. There we go. In here we've got a load of different assets that all work together. So
I see. So there's like buildings with windows and stuff.
Buildings with windows, and then all of these are going to be like procedurally added on to the buildings. So every time you place a building, it'll be random, different, because it's boring if it's the same every time.
Oh yeah.
And that's dull. And then these objects here that look like nothing are the holograms that I've redone actually.
My favourite computer game used to be SimCity.
Nice.
And then they ruined it. But then there's
with 4.
Yeah. And then
I know what's going.
With 4,000 or whatever it was. Yeah. But now there's a new game called City Skylines.
Yes.
And they've
Paradox Interactive.
Yeah, they've recreated like SimCity 3, but but better.
I know they have. It's just a good game.
So it's a good one. That's basically the only computer game I play on my laptop. So. Anyway, so I'm looking forward to see what you come up with.
Oh, it'll be terrible.
Thank you very much.
Thanks, buddy.